This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, girls. Good evening, all. My voice is audible, ma? My voice is audible. Okay. Open run command, type Excel. So in the previous class, I taught you how to find out the text, how to replace the text. No? What is the shortcut key to find the text, girls? Control F is the shortcut key for the find the text. For the replace the text, Control H. Control H is the shortcut key for what? For the replace. To select all, we had to press Control A. To go to particular cell, shortcut key for any cell, if you want to go for that one, shortcut key Control G. Press Control G. So there you have to give some address. For example, 1 second, girls, I'll be going to keep the cursor on first cell. So which is the first cell? A1. A1 is there, no? That is what? First cell. But I had to go for G15. G in 15th cell. Control G. Press Control G. G15. G15 you give. Just click on OK. Now your cursor, it is in which location? In the which cell address? It is in G column and it is in which row? 15th row. Okay. And then I had to go for the J25. So how to go for J25 cell address? Again, Control G you press. There you have to give J25. Click on OK. See now the cursor, it is in which column? In the J column, and it is in which row? 25th row. Okay. So again, to come back to the first cell, A1 is the first cell. Now Control G you press, then type cell address A. A is a column, 1 is a row. Enter. Come to the next one, insert tab. In the insert tab, what is the first topic for you? Pivot table. So what is the definition, ma? It is the showing on the screen. Any one of you read? Pivot table. Easily arrange and summarize the complex data in a pivot table. Okay. Again, I'll repeat the definition. Pivot table, very important concept, girls. For you people, there will be assignments on pivot table. Okay. So easily arrange and summarize complex data in a pivot table. For that, I'll prepare the data. So how to make the date entry in Excel? In my laptop, it is showing for me first date. After month is there. So today date I'll give 8th of September 22. The date is the first now. 14th of November 21 girls. Just I'll track. Just align to the center side. Apply center alignment. Yeah. So like this, the data I have. Just highlight the things. Hmm. Apply all borders. All borders. Yeah. Yeah, girls. Like this, I have the data. Okay. So which phone is the highest sales? Can you find out and tell me from that data? Hmm? So it will be very difficult to analyze which phone is highest, which phone is the lowest, which area is the highest sales. That all the things it will be very difficult to find out, girls. So what we have to do means from the pivot table we can analyze everything easily. I have some complex data. It will be very difficult to find out. Okay, which phones are highest in which area, highest sales, which phone is highest sales in the area. We don't know all the things, but from the pivot table I can analyze everything else. A very important concept, ma, you should concentrate on this. There will be assignments on this. See, you have to select the data first. Select the data, click on pivot table. Click on pivot table, girls. See what it is asking, where you want to plot the pivot table. You want in the other sheet or it is in the same sheet, in the existing sheet. The which sheet you want to get the output. So you have to take select what existing worksheet you take. So keep the cursor on where you want to keep the cursor in that location. Okay. Just come back and then okay. On the right side, one window it is open. That window name is pivot table fields. Okay. Which window is that? On the right side it is appearing. Which window, ma? It is appearing on the screen. Pivot table field window. From that window, just a minute. I'll show you from beginning, girls. I have the data, cell phone data, sales data I have. Just select the data, insert tab, pivot table. So it is asking where do you want pivot table, in the new sheet, or it is asking new sheet you want or existing sheet you want. I want existing sheet only. In the same sheet only I should be I want to plot what? Pivot table. Okay. I don't want the new sheet. Just select the existing sheet, worksheet, and then place the location where you want. So just click on here, girls, place the location here you want, or here you want, or where you want, you have to place the cursor. Keep the cursor there, come back, and then okay you do. Okay. On your right side, there is one window. That window name is pivot table window. Okay. From that window, what we can do, we can arrange the data however we want. Here down, there are 4 chambers are there. The first chamber means the first field name is filter. Second field columns. The next one is rows and then values. Okay. Totally, how many fields are there? 4 fields are there. Okay. See, I'm going to arrange the data in the fields. For example, cell phone. So you want to arrange to the column wise, just put it in the column. See, the cell phones, or it is in column wise. See, in the F column, iPhone is there. In the Nokia, in the H column, phones names are there. In the I column, Samsung. It is showing yes or no? Yes. In case if you don't want in the column wise, the phones, or it is in arranged in column wise. If you don't want to arrange in the column wise, you can drag and drop to the rows. See now how it is arranged in the row wise. In the second row, iPhone. Third row, Nokia, Oppo, Samsung. So it is in row wise, girls. Okay. Understood now? Are you understanding? If you want in the column wise, you can put it in the column. If you want in the row wise, you can put it in the row wise. For example, I'll be going to put in column only. Actually, sales. In the sales, what you have? Values. Number, values is there. So what you have to do means, wherever values is there, that one you have to put it in values only. Sales, it is in the form of numbers, values. So you should be bring to the values only. Okay. The next concept is area. The area one, I'll be going to bring and put it in the row wise. See, now the pivot table is arranged. Again, I'll repeat, cell phones, where it is there in the column field. Where it is a sales, actually sales is what? Values. In the sales, values are there. That's why I should be put it in the values only. The sales, you should be keep it in values. And then what about the area? The area, it is in which one? In the which field? In the row. Okay. So now girls, see, I'll tell you now. In the Jayanagar area, total sales we have made 283. In the MG Road, 213. In the RT Nagar, 58. And then in SR Nagar, 119. Okay. So which area is the highest sales? Any one of you answer to my question? Which area is the highest one?
Jayanagar.
Jayanagar. Good. Jayanagar is the highest sales. Okay. Lowest sales. Which area is the lowest sales?
RT Nagar.
Good. RT Nagar. In the RT Nagar only 58 sales. That's all. Lowest sales. Okay, girls. Good. And then girls, iPhone is sold in the Jayanagar. For the Jayanagar, it is sold. Check it out and tell. Hmm? If you are getting confused, apply center alignment. Then it will be easy. Now you tell me.
No, ma'am.
I'm asking you, in the Jayanagar, iPhone is sold or not?
No, ma'am.
No sales. No sales. Okay, correct. In the MG Road, it is sold. In the RT Nagar, iPhone is not sold. Okay, iPhone sold only in the 2 areas. One area is MG Road and then one area is SR Nagar. Then I come to the next one. Nokia phones sold only in the Jayanagar. In other areas, no sales only. It is all the things, all sales are empty. Oppo. All areas are sold except RT Nagar. And then see here there is no sales only. Okay. So highest area is Jayanagar, lowest area is RT Nagar. Okay. And then girls see like this here ma, iPhone 223, Nokia 160, Oppo 187, and then Samsung 103. Which phones is the highest sales? Which phones is the highest sales?
iPhone.
Good. iPhone. Which phone is the lowest sale? Which phone is the lowest sale?
Samsung.
Good. Samsung. Total sales is how much? Total sales. Total sales. 673 total sales. Grand total. Okay, now. So this table is easy to analyze, or that table is easy to analyze. Which table? This table, right side table, that is pivot table. This is just entry. What we have made that. Now you tell me which table is the pivot table, right side or the left side one? Which one is the pivot table, girls? Right side or the left side one, ma?
Right one, ma'am.
The right one, yes. Keep the cursor in the pivot table. Again, you will be getting back that window. That window, what is that window name? Pivot table fields. Okay, now. So now what I'm doing now, see, I'll interchange the area and then cell phone. Hmm? In the column field, cell phone is there. In the row, area is there. That one I am going to interchange. This cell phone I am bringing to the rows, and then area I am going to put it in the column. See, the reverse I have done like this. See now how it's looking. Or the both the things you can put it in the rows also, no problem. Cell phone area, both the things you can show it in the rows. See, it is showing iPhone sold for two areas, MG and SR Nagar. And then for Nokia phone is sold only for Jayanagar area. Oppo phone, it is sold for Jayanagar, MG Road, and then SR Nagar. Samsung is sold in the Jayanagar and RT Nagar. Like this also I can arrange. So which way is easy to analyze for you? In that way you can arrange. There is no rules. We had to arrange like this only, like that only. There is no rules. So how you want, you can arrange. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to change the values here. Okay. So you people are telling now highest sales, which phone, ma? Which phone is the highest sales? iPhone, right? iPhone is the highest sales. See now what I am doing. I'm showing lowest sales for them. Yeah. See, iPhones are sold only two numbers. iPhones sold only 10 numbers. iPhones sold only 20 numbers. Okay, girls. That the values are updated here. That values are updated here. Whatever the changes I have made in the data, that changes it is in reflected in the pivot table. No, that is not reflected. So what you had to do means, if I keep the cursor outside, girls, someone is talking, please mute yourself. Mute it, ma. So you have to keep the cursor, don't keep the cursor outside of the pivot table. Don't keep the cursor outside. You have to keep the cursor inside the pivot table. So there will be extra tab for you to do the work. For this one, there will be tools, girls. Do the work for this, there will be extra tools. See this one, last one. What is the last tab name? Pivot table, analyze and design. If I keep the cursor outside, so power pivot is the last tab actually. Okay, after this, any tab it is coming for you? Any tools are related to pivot table? No. You keep the cursor inside the pivot table. See now, pivot table, analyze and then design. You got it? What I am telling? If I keep the cursor outside of the pivot table, the tools, the extra tabs will be not coming. If I keep the cursor inside the pivot table, then pivot table tab and then design tab, extra 2 tabs you will get. Click on the pivot tab, analyze. There is a button here, refresh button. What is the shortcut key to refresh the data? Alt F5. So when should I want to do means if I made any changes in this data, that time you should refresh it. Okay. So pivot table analyze, click on refresh button. See now. Now you tell me which phones is the lowest sales, which phones is the highest sales. iPhones in the previously iPhones are highest, but now which phones is highest, which phones is the lowest now? Respond ma girls. I should explain this one from beginning, or are you understanding? I should repeat this one again.
Understood, ma'am.
Then tell me which phones is the highest sales, which phones are lowest sales. Some
Ma'am,
changes I
lowest
made
is
here.
iPhone and
Hmm.
highest is Oppo.
Highest is lowest.
Yeah, Nokia. Nokia phone is highest. Correct. Okay. Again, keep the cursor, girls. Come to this tab. Refresh button. You understood now when you should use it. And then I'll be going to explain the next one. Insert slicer. Click on the insert slicer. See, girls, what I'm doing. I'm going to select in the slicer cell phone, area, and then sales. I'm not selecting the date. I don't want the date. I'm not analyzing anything from the date. Okay. So which are the things I have selected here? Cell phone, sales, and then area. Just okay, Udo. See, there are 3 slicer box here. 3 slicer box. One is cell phone slicer box, and then sales, and then area. Okay. So you can change the color if you want, you can change. Don't keep the cursor outside. Place the cursor on the slicer. See here, slicer tools. Slicer tab is there, slicer tools. In that, what I am doing, I am changing the color. For this one green, I applied. For this one dark blue. For this one orange color. Like this, I have done. Okay. See now what I am doing. See girls, what will happen? If I click on Jainagar, automatically in the Jainagar, which phones are sold, it is highlighted. See, slicer actually which helps you filter the data. Slicer which helps you filter the data. See, and then tell me, if I click on, if I select the Jainagar, which are the things are highlighted in the cell phone? Which are the things are highlighted? Nokia, Oppo, and then
Nokia Oppo.
Samsung. Yeah. Okay. Click on MG Road, then automatically it will be going to show you iPhone and then Oppo. RT Nagar, only Samsung. SR Nagar, iPhone and then Oppo. And then not from here also, and then in the pivot table also it is filter. Again, see, if I click on Jayanagar, it will show you only Jayanagar data. Okay, it is showing only filtered data. Not all the data, only filtered data it is showing. Just clear, then it will be going to show you everything. Click on Nokia. So I am preferring the area. No, now I'm going to select the phone. Click on Nokia. See, Jayanagara is highlighted. Click on iPhone. See, MG Road and SR Nagar. Oppo. See, Jayanagar, MG Road, SR Nagar. Samsung, you click. Samsung we have sold for two areas. One area is Jayanagar and another area is RT Nagar. See, here also it will filter, and then here also it will be going to highlight. Just you clear it, clear off. Now, if I click on 10, the value 10, if I click on 10 value, then it will be going to filter. Okay, the 10 number of iPhones we have sold in MG Nagar. See, if I click on 10, so which phone is highlighted? Which area is highlighted? Find out and tell me. The sales we have made, 10 sales we have made. Which phone, which area, for which area? That is iPhone and then
iPhone in MG Nagar.
okay, now I'll click on the value 2. Then you tell me which phone and which area. 2. The two phones we sold in for which area, and then which phone is that? 10. 2 value, 2 sales. We have made only 2 sales. 45 you click, see it will show you. 58 you click, see it will highlight. 65 you click, see. It's easy or difficult to filter the data from the slicer?
It's easy, ma'am.
It's easy. Not only from here also, there also it will be going to filter. See, your pivot table is also filter. Okay, you clear from the sales. Then everything will be displayed. So now you delete the slicer box after using select and delete. Select, delete. Okay, the next concept, pivot table analyze. Come here. Uh, Insert timeline. The next topic is what? Insert timeline, girls. So before doing that, we had to show the dates. Okay. Without showing the dates, the timeline will not support in the pivot table actually. Here there is no dates only. We have not selected the date in the field. Okay. So if it is there is no dates means we can't work on timeline. So what we have to do, keep the cursor again. The dates, no, that one I'll be going to bring and put it in the rows. See, then it will be going to show you the dates I have selected. Where the dates are there in the column wise or in the row wise? Where it is there? It is in row or it is in arranged in columns? It is in the row. Okay. So now in my data, I have the dates. Okay. See now what I will do. Click on insert timeline. The timeline will support you only the date. It will not support anything else. It will not support sales, phones, area, nothing. The timeline always will support you only date, date, date. Just click on insert timeline. You have to select your date and then okay you do. And then here also in the timeline there will be filters. Just you click on here and then click on the year. Okay. See our area, our records, our sales, we have done it only for 2022 and then 2002. Only for the 2 years we have made the sales. We have not made the sales for 2020, 2019-18. Our business started from 2021, 2022. Okay. If I click on 2021, then it will be going to show you only 2021 records. See, if I click on 2021, it will be going to show you only 2021 records, girls. Okay. In the 2021 total sales, we have made it for 228. Just remember this number. Again, you click on 2022, girls, then find out here. So what is the sales we have made in 2022? 254. So then you tell me now. Then you tell me now, which year is the highest sales now? Which year the sales are highest? 21, 22. Which year? 21, again I'll show you. In the 21, 228 girls, the sales we have made in 21. In the 22, we made 254. Then tell me properly.
2022, ma'am.
2022 actually. 2022 is what highest sales we have made. Again, you click on the year 2021. And then on your right side, girls, there is a filter option which will helps you to select. Okay. And then I'm going to take the months. So in the 2021, so just click on the January month. So in the January, we have made any sales? No sales. It is not showing anything. Just click on the February, no sales. March, April, May, June, July. Just scroll, scroll, scroll. August month, no. September, October, November, yes. In the November month, we have made the sales for Jayanagar and then SR Nagar. Totally, we have made 228 sales we have made. Just check it out for the December we have made or not. No sales only. So which month we have sold the goods in the which month? In the 21. If I click on June, July, August, it will not show you anything. So if I click on November, it will show you. In the November month, we have made the sales. Just you clear, then it will be going to show you everything. 21, 22 also, it will be going to show you everything. So here this option is there, no, that will helps you to clear the data. Okay. 2 minutes, girls. I'll be back. Okay, now I'm going to take now again select the year 22. I'll show you now. Click on the year 22. Girls, now I'm going to in the 2022. I should be find out in the which month we have made the sales. Just click on the months. Just click on the January. Is there any sales we have made in the January? No. February, March, April. May, June, July, August, no, nothing, no sales only. September, yes. In the September, the data is showing. In the September month, in the September month, for the which areas we have sold for the Jayanagar, for MG Road, for RT Nagar, we have made the sales. Check it out for October, ma. Is there any sales? No, nothing. November, no. Just check it out for December, nothing. October month, September, yeah. That one, 2000, which one, yeah, 2021 November month, I think. Yes, all right. Again, select here in the 21. Which month, yeah? 21, I think November, right? In the November month, we have made the sales for in the 2021. Remember 2021 November month only in the November months goods are sold. Okay. Again, I'll check it out for 22. October, girls. I remembered. Okay. June, July, August, September, January, nothing. So just check it out. December, October month. And then, September, girls. That is November month for this year, 22 September month. And then again, girls, again I'm going for years. Again, I'm selecting 21. In that, I'll be going to take months. So which month I told you? The sales we have made? November month, girls. Now, in the November month, I should be find out in the which date, November 1st or 2nd, 3rd, like that, I should be find out the dates. Again, you in the option, the filter option, just go for the days. Click on days. 1st of November you click. Nothing, no sales on. 2nd November, 3rd, 4th, just select and move. Okay, 5, 6, 7. No, no, I'll skip 16. I'll go. Okay, 15 you come. Yeah. 13th, no sales only. November 13th. November 14th and 15th, the sales are made. Okay. See, November 13th, we don't have any sales. November 14th, 15th, we have sales. 16th, even 16th also is there. 17th also is there. Oh, okay. 18th, yes, sales we have made. For the 19th, no sales. We have not made any sales. For 20th, 20th, no, nothing. So from 14th to 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Mhm. From 14 to 18, the sales are made, girls. Okay. Again, go to the filter option. Just click on the years again. Now you select 22. Now you select the month. I think September. Just select the September. Yeah. If I select October, no sales. November, December, August, nothing. September, you select. In the September month, I should be find out which dates. I don't know in the which dates we have made the sales. Okay, now go to the dates. Click on days. Okay, 1st of September, any sales we have made? Nothing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Just you scroll. See, I'll take from 6th, 7th, 8th. See, September 8th, we have made sales in the MG road. That is which phone? iPhones, only 2 numbers. Only 2 numbers we have sold in MG road. Okay. 9th of September, any sales we have made? Yes, for Jayanagar. Which phone is that? Nokia 95. 10th of September, yes, MG road. That is Oppo 89 phones. iPhones, only 10 in MG road. September 12th, RT Nagar, 58 Samsung. 13th, no sales only. We have not made any sales for 14, 15 are upcoming dates. Girls, you understood the topic this? How to filter the dates according to year wise, month wise, date wise. So what do you understand from the timeline? Put it in the chart box, ma. What is the use of timeline? Fast, all of you, put it in the chat box. What is the purpose of using the timeline in the pivot table? What is the purpose of using the timeline in the pivot table? Fast, girls, don't want to waste the time. I'm not asking the year, I'm asking you the uses of timeline. What is the purpose of using the timeline? Girls, be fast. From the timeline, what you understood? Tell me, girls. Today, what happened for you, all of you? No one is answering properly. So the timeline, the purpose of using the timeline, which helps you filter the dates according to year wise, month wise, day wise. Now, again, clear off, click on the clear button. So now girls, here in this option, I'm going to take quarters. Okay. 22 is the no this year. First quarter means first 3 months, January, February, March. first quarter, which is the first quarter, January, February, March. Just you click on the quarter one. So first 3 months, no sales only, nothing. Next 3 quarters, January, February, March. April, May, June. Next 3 months, April, May, June. Nothing. Next again 3 months. Yes. See, in the quarter 3, we have sales. Then what about quarter 4? Yes, no sales only. Only in the quarter 3, there is a sales. Check it out for the 2021 year. First 3 months, no. Next 3 months, again next 3 months, no. Last 3 months, yes. October, November, December. See, last 3 months, quarter 4. For this one, quarter 3, 22. For this one, quarter 4. Like this, we can filter the data by using dates. Okay, clear off. Click on clear button. So slicer you understood, right? Timeline you understood now. How to use the timeline? You select and delete girls. And then the next topic is again click on pivot. Don't keep every time I'm telling you, don't keep the cursor outside of the table. So please place your cursor inside the table, not outside the table, inside the table. Pivot table analyze tab. Come to this tab. Here there is one option, girls, change data source. Okay, what data you have? Change data source. See, I'll show you how to do that. Some data, different data I'll copy. Just adjust the columns properly. Yeah, in the same sheet, I have some different data, girls. In the above, I have cell phone data. In the below, I have what is that? Product data. Export data, exported data. The carrots means vegetables, fruits exported for Germany, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, like that, Canada, everything it is showing. Okay, I have some different data in the same sheet. The first data is what? Cell phone data. The next data is what? Exported data, fruits, vegetables, exported data. So now this table, this pivot table, which is related to apple fruits, means exported data or cell phone data is this. Cell phone data is there. So what I want to do, I have to interchange now. Just keep the cursor. Don't keep the cursor outside of the table. Your cursor should be inside the pivot table somewhere, anywhere you can place, but inside only you should place. Analyze tab. So change data source, source is the no, just you click on that. See here, cell phone data is selected. Now you click on this location, girls. Table range is there, no, you click on this arrow ma. So this data is selected. No, that data I don't want. Now what I'm doing, I'm selecting this data. Which data is that? Cell phone data is there, no, that one I'm selecting. Cell phone data selected. Just come back, click on OK, girls. So just keep the cursor. See, I'll arrange the data now. Just off all the things. Whichever I want, that one I will arrange. Okay, not everything. The product I don't want. Product ID I don't want. Product I want. I'll put it in the rows. The amount should be in values. Always you should remember, if amount is there, you should be put it in values only. Then country I will take. That's all. Which are the things I have selected? In the field, in the column, what you have? Country is there. In the row, what you have? Product is there. In the values, what you have? Amount is there. If it is very Lengthy, if it is there, you do one thing, you can make it simple. Country also you can put it in the rows also. See now how it's arranged. See, apple sold for which country? Canada and France. Banana sold for which country? Canada, New Zealand, United States. Beans only for Germany. Broccoli, Australia and United Kingdom, London. And then carrots, United States of America. This orange also United States of America. So now you in the sheet, in this place, cell phone data is there or exported data is there? Which one it is showing for you? I have changed from cell phone to exported data. Again, you want cell phone data only. Again, keep the cursor inside the pivot table, analyze table, click on the analyze one, change data source, click on this arrow. So what you have to do means I am selecting this old data only. Cell phone data only I am selecting, come back and then okay you do. Now you select whichever you want. Cell phone, I'll put it in the rows. Sales, I'll put it in the why the sales I'm coming and putting in the values only, because the sales are values. Values always you should be put it in here only. Area, I'll be put it in the columns. So now you have exported data or cell phone data. Which data it is there in the sheet? So understood girls about change data source. You can interchange the data. Which data you want, that data we can change it. Cell phone if you want we can change to the cell phone. Exported data if you want we can get it the export only. We can interchange the data from the change data source. Girls, you want break time or shall I continue?
Ma'am, 10 minutes break.
Yeah, take a 10 minutes break and then I'll be back.
This conference will now be recorded.
So again I'm telling, don't keep the cursor outside of the table. Place the cursor inside the pivot table, then you will get pivot table tools. So what are the tools you have learned today? Slicer, which helps you filter the data. Timeline, which helps you filter the dates. Refresh, it will helps you to update the data. Change data source, that will helps you to interchange the data. Okay, these concepts I covered. Okay, now on the right side there will be window, no, pivot table fields. There are 4 fields are there that will be helps you to arrange the data. Okay, if I close this window, if you want to change now, if you want to arrange now, is it possible? That window is not showing on the right side of the screen. Okay, the right side it is not showing, it is not displaying, girls. So what should I want to do? Again, don't keep the cursor, always the cursor has to be inside the pivot table. So here in the pivot table analyze tab, there is an option here, field list, girls. From the field list, that window we can display or means hide, and we can unhide that. Okay, we can close and we can open whenever we want. Whenever we are arranging, that time what we can do, we can hide and unhide. Field list is the, no, that one. So don't forget this. If I close this window, if you want to display that window again, pivot table uh, tab, analyze tab. For that tab, you should come and click on a field list. Then that window will appears. Okay. Mm, and then see what I'm doing here. This area is there, no? That area, it is in actually in column wise, right? That area I'm going to bring and drop to the filter girls. Where that area I'm going to bring and drop? Where it is there now area? Previously it was in columns. Okay, the area it was in columns. Now it is in filter. It is in filter girls. Okay. So now in the filter, what you have? The area is there. See, filter, where filter button in the name only it is there, which helps you filter the data. So I'm going to choose here, means I'm going to select here only Jainagar area. Select the Jainagar area and then click on OK. See now the Jainagara. So the sales we have made 283 only. Which phones we have sold in Jainagar? Oppo, Nokia, Samsung. Again, girls, click on the filter button, change to the next area, MG Road, click on OK. See, iPhone and then Oppo phones are we have sold. The next one, RT Nagar, select the RT Nagar area and then OK. And in the RT Nagar, only Samsung we have made sales. Or check it out for SR Nagar, iPhone and then Oppo phones we have sold. Okay, so filter option which helps you filter the data from here also. Not only from the slicer, from this button also, from the filter button also, which helps you to filter the data. If I select all option, then it will be going to show you all areas data. Just click on all and then okay. See now all areas sales are showing here. Okay, this concepts you understood, no? Then I'll explain the different one. This is the assignment, girls. This is the assignment sheet. I'll share you this sheet with you today. So I'll explain how to do this assignment. First two sheets I'll explain. Remaining sheets you have to do it as a assignment, girls. Okay. So what is the today's assignments? I'm giving you pivot table. Okay. I'm sharing this file with you. Today I have an assignment, girls. That is pivot table. Okay. So brmeenakshi@gmail.com is my mail ID. For that mail ID, you have to submit these assignments. Okay. I'll be going to explain you how to do this assignment. First and second sheet I'll explain. Remaining sheet you have to do it as an assignment. Okay. I'll explain the concepts how to do. So you understood the pivot table, the basics things. What I taught
Ma'am,
the things you understood.
ma'am,
Hmm.
this is what we have to make as an assignment.
Yeah, this file I'll give you.
Okay,
The steps
okay, and
has
we have to
given,
copy
the
and
results
make
has
it.
given.
Okay,
Ah,
results we have to
no, no, no,
find.
I'll give this
Okay,
file. The results you have to find. You should read that and then you should be find out the results. That's the work.
okay, okay.
I'll explain how to do also. Okay, girls,
Okay,
see
ma'am.
here, listen. I have the data here, girls. I have some data, ma. Huge data only it is there. Okay. What are the fields I have? You should find out that one. The field is product type. Girls, again, I'm not repeating. Just listen what I'm telling. Again, ma'am, repetition means again, I'm not explaining. Okay. All of you be alert. I'm explaining you again. So order ID, product, category, amount, date, country. These all the things are what? Fields. How many fields are there? Just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 fields. Okay. Actually, what data is this? What related data? Exported data. Okay. Some fruits, vegetables exported for the different countries. For London, for America, Canada, Germany, Australia, New Zealand, France. For the countries, we have sold some vegetables and then fruits. I should be find out vegetables are highest or fruits are highest sales. Which one is the carrot is highest, banana, apple is highest, like that. I should be find out everything. It actually it is a huge data. See, so many data I have. Some 200 and something the data is there actually. See girls, the last entry data, it is in which row it is there? 200 and 213 data I have girls totally. That much of sales we have made. How many sales we have made? How many number of times? How many number of times transactions? We have made 213 data records we have. In that data, we should be find out each and everything. Clearly, we have to find out. So can you tell me from this data, girls, from huge data, carrots or bronchial or banana, beans, orange, which one is the highest sales mark? Is the vegetables or fruits or highest sales? Just tell me. Is easy to find out, girls, from this data, or I should be plot pivot table? From this table only, people will understand this everything. You can analyze anything from this data,
Oh,
or we
ma'am.
had to plot pivot table. This will be very
Pivot
difficult.
table,
There is
ma'am.
a huge data. I can't find out. It will take more time. Pivot table, if I plot, then it will be easy to find out, girls. Okay. Hmm. Actually, what is my aim to find out in the sheet means? See here, the red color is highlighted in the box, in the text box. Total amount exported of each product. I should be find out total amount. Oh, apple is this much of amount exported. Banana, this much of amount is exported. Carrots, broccoli. So like that, every each and every vegetables, fruits, I should find out total amount exported for each and every product. So now, again, I'm telling the cursor, if it is outside, it is there, no use. So you have to keep the cursor inside the pivot, inside the data set. This is what I'm calling for this data set. What is the selected one? Data set. Okay. Keep the cursor inside the data set. Hmm. After that, read the steps and then follow, girls. See the steps are given in this box. Okay. To insert a pivot table, execute the following step. If you want to insert the pivot table, I should be follow some following steps. What is the first step actually? Click any single cell inside the data set. Yes, I have done it. Keep it somewhere inside the data set. Done, girls. First step is over. Read the next step. On insert tab. Oh, I should go for insert tab. In the insert tab, what I want to do, table group. Where is the table group actually? Group, commands, tabs. I told you in the beginning class, in the introduction class only. So these are tabs. These are tools, means commands. Here, the below one is there, no, tables, illustrations, add-ins. What should I want to tell for that things? What I want to tell girls for these things? Groups.
Groups.
These are groups actually. Hmm. In the table groups, what all the commands you have? What all the commands is there in the groups? Pivot table, recommended pivot table, and then table. These are commands. That commands will comes under the group. Okay, girls, I got it. On the insert tab, table groups, click pivot table. Okay, I should be where I should click in the pivot table. Done. After that, what I want to do? Next one, next step you see. Some following dialog box appears. Yes, I got some dialog box here on the screen. This is the dialog box appears. Okay. Excel automatically selects the data for you. Of course, it is selected. Who told you? No one has told. See, automatically the data selected here. See, selected, no? The whole data is selected actually. Okay. Next one. The default location of, so what it's showing, the default location, which location it is showing? Um, the default location for a new pivot table is new worksheet. It is showing you by defaultly new worksheet is there, but I don't want new worksheet. I want the results in the same sheet, means in the existing sheet. I don't want to take a new sheet. I want to go for the same sheet only. Just you click on here. See location. It is asking you the location where you want to get the result, girls. The screenshot it is given here. Leave one column and keep the cursor here only. Okay, so don't plot anywhere the pivot table. Okay, here results is there, screenshot it is given there, only you keep the cursor. See, leave one column and then keep the cursor here. Don't take a new sheet. Again, I'm stressing and telling you, don't take a new worksheet. You should select which one? Existing worksheet only, girls. Okay, click on OK ma. Yes, some window I got it for arranging the data. Then what should I want to do? The next step, click on OK, done, over. Next, drag fields. See the drag fields, I got it. The pivot table field pan appears. Of course, the panel is, the pan is there. The screen is showing on the screen. What I want to do, the next one, to get the total amount exported for each product, drag the following fields. Some fields I should drag and I should put it here, girls. Okay, to the different areas. Okay, first one, what should I want to drag? Product field is there, no? That product field, where should I want to put, ma? Hmm? See the step and then tell me, I'll put it that one here. Any one of you?
Rows area, ma.
Rose.
Rows area. Okay, I'll select 1 second. The product is the, no, that one I'll put it in the rows. Done, girls. Second step you tell ma, I'll do it. Read that and then tell me the second one.
Amount field to value.
Good. Amount I should bring to the values. Done. Next. Last one,
Country
third
field to
step.
the filter area.
Country should be filter. Okay, done. After arranging the things, you close this window. Which window is this? Pivot table field. Okay, close this window. Now, see this result and that results. Is it both the tables are same? This is what the results you should get. If it is not matching to this table to that table, then your results is wrong. Okay, the results already it is given in the screenshot. This is screenshot. Is it matching, girls? Both the tables are matching, ma? Any one of
Ma'am.
you check it out? In the filter, country is there, all okay, done. Apple should be first, ma. Apple, banana, beans, broccoli, carrot, mango, orange. Okay, everything is there. Okay, now. Hmm. Now, girls, I don't know for which country, but total apple, how much amount is exported? Tell me the amount, ma, total amount of for the apple.
1,91,257.
Uh-huh. Repeat once.
1,91,257.
Hmm. Okay. Can you tell me which fruits or vegetables is highest is there? Is it apple or carrot or which one? Find out and tell me.
Broccoli, ma'am.
Ma'am, banana is the highest fruit.
3,40,000 something is there. Banana. Rokai. Hey, banana is highest, ma'am. Banana is highest sales.
Broccoli, ma'am.
Bananas are exported more. Hey, this amount you see. Roki and then this one. Banana 3 lakhs. This is only 1 lakh something. 42. Banana is highest. Okay. Okay. You have exported fruits and vegetables. What is the total amount you exported? That is the aim. Actually, our aim is what to find out is what reading. See the red one, highlighted one. This is what the results we need to find out actually. Hmm? See the highlighted one in the red text. What is the aim? Actually, what should I want to find out in here? Total amount exported of each product. Each product total amount I got it. Now you tell me overall total amount is how much all of the product 10 lakh 29,734 rupees total amount exported for each one product. Everything it's showing here. You got it? You understood this topic of the first sheet? You got it, the idea how to do the assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
So this
We
is
should
what
do
the result.
assignment for the same data.
Screenshot I given no, this is what same data only, same steps you should follow, same results you should get. In the screenshot it is given no, same results you should get it. If it is differs it is there, then your results is wrong. Okay, like that I'll be going to teach you the next
But
sheet.
should we
See
make
the
it in
next
a
sheet
new
I'll show you.
sheet, ma'am?
In the same sheet only. See, I have done it now in the same sheet, in the existing sheet. This one.
Okay, ma'am.
For this one, you have the marks. Okay, don't neglect this. Next week, you aram se you take the time. By the next week, you submit, no problem. In the same sheet only, you should do it, girls. Don't take any new sheet, nothing. Okay, you should do it in the same sheet only. Girls, come to the sort pivot. I'll show you how to do this one. Sort means arrange. What should I want to arrange? If I read the steps, then I'll be coming to know. Okay. What is this? Oh, here, what is arrange means in the screenshot it is showing highest to lowest dish there. Yeah. Someone has told me banana, ma'am. Banana is the highest salesman. Someone has told like that. Here also, banana is the high first one. Second exported product is apple. Third broccoli, carrot, orange, beans, mango. The mango is the lowest. It is arranged. Okay, how to do this one? In the previous data, apple is showing first. Okay, in this sheet, banana we have arranged, we have sorted. That's why the data is arranged here. Are you understanding? The previous we have just our aim is only to find out total amounted exported. Okay, yeah, but in the sort pivot is there no, but here we had to arrange from highest exported to lowest exported. We had to find out, that is what the aim. Here it is given same only, but we had to see this one. See, actually the what is the sheet name is there, uh, sort pivot. Okay girls, how to do this one? We had to read that steps and then we had to do it. Okay now, insert a pivot table. Click any single cell inside the data set. This is the data set. Okay, don't keep the cursor outside, inside the data set. Next step, on insert tab in a pivot, sorry, in the table groups, click pivot table. Okay, I'm going for insert tab, pivot table. What I want to do, default location is new worksheet it is showing, but I don't want no new worksheet. Please don't take new sheet. Okay, in the existing sheet only your result should be there. Existing worksheet you take. Location I should choose no. Tell me girls, where I told to place the location. Where should I want to place the location? That screenshot I gave on, sorry, what is that? I gave no, the screenshot I gave no, there only you should do it. This is the result actually. So leave one column and then you find out the results. Okay, just place the cursor, click on here, place the cursor here. Leave gap, leave one column gap and then keep the cursor. From here you keep. Then come back and then okay. I got it this field. Now what should I want to do? Mm, all first three steps done. Next one, drag fields. The pivot table field span appears. Of course, it is appearing on the right side for me. To get the total amount exported of each product, drag the following fields to the different areas. Girls, tell me the three steps, any one of you again. Which are the things I should be I should drag and put it here? Which are the fields I should drag and put it here?
Product field to row area.
Okay. Done, ma. Next.
Amount field to value area.
Why should I want to always the amount should be come here only? Why don't want to keep here and there for other fields? Why should I want to keep it here only the amount? Here the text will not supports you. In the value fields is the no, the text will not supports. In the amount what you have, this amount is there. Always value amount should be in the where? Here only, in the values only. Okay, amount, I'll put it in the values. Next step, ma, what is the next one?
Field to filter.
The third one. Country should be in filter. Okay, I'll drag and put it in the filter field. Okay, done. After that, just scroll. Matching ma. Just is it for this screenshot and that screenshot is find out, yeah, any one of you. This one is this one, both are same or different is there? Or something we need to do is the correct results. Is it
We should arrange it from large to small.
in the arrangement is not there? Okay, see, first arrangement what it is there in the results, actually banana is the first, but in my result apple is the first, then this result is wrong actually. Still the steps are there, not completed. See the steps now. What I after this? Sort means arrange. Okay. To get top product at the first list, any single. So amount, this amount column. Again, I'll read it. I'll read this first step. Click any cell inside the sum of the amount girls. Where should I want to click? Here or here? In the product, I should keep cursor, or in the amount I should click? Where should I want to click? The
Amount
first
one.
step, what it is telling. So that's why the cursor here only it is there. Okay, next step. Read the next one, second step, right click. Oh, okay, right click I have done. I got some options. What I want to do now next? Right click. Okay, click on sort. Yes, I got it here. I got this option. Largest to smallest I should take. Okay. Which one? Smallest to largest or largest to smallest? Which one I should select? Which option? Largest or
Largest to smallest.
smallest. Now see both this one, this screenshot and then my results are matching. Both the things are same. Banana is the
Yes, ma'am.
first. Yeah, now the result is pakka. It means results is correct. Understood, girls? Will you do this assignment? It will be very interesting and then you people will learn lot. While doing, if you have any doubts, is there, you people can ask me in the class. I'll explain. If any doubts comes in the sheets, you can ask me. That one I'll explain the class. Actually, till where you have to do no frequency distribution is there one sheet. Till that you should complete the assignment. Till where you had to do the assignment, girls? Frequency distribution. Till there you had to do the assignment. Totally, I think 11 sheets are there. You should start from today. It will not take, if you sit for half an hour, 45 minutes, you can finish off these sheets. I think it is there, girls. Complete off. Till where you should do it, ma? Frequency distribution. Till that you should do it. After that, some sheets, frequencies are there. Pivot chart, filter pivot chart, that all the things I should explain. After that only you can do. Some charts are there. Still, these concepts are not covered. Okay. Don't go for the things. After explaining this concept, you should do that. Till where you should complete your assignment, pivot table assignment, frequency distribution. Okay, I'll share the file now. You understood the topic, no? So that way you follow. I'll give you that one. Okay. Some password is there. I'll remove and I'll give you. So totally, I think 11 or 12 sheets are there. Till frequency distribution, you should do the assignment. I'll put it in the WhatsApp group. So in the Excel next to concept, girls, someone is asking to submit date. Okay, Friday date I'll give, not tomorrow date. 16th. 16th now, September, girls. September is the last date for the submission. So what about the next one? Recommended pivot table. So what is it? Recommended pivot table. Both are same only. Pivot table, recommended pivot table. Actually, what is the meaning of recommended? Any idea you know? The meaning of recommended? For example, product, category, country, carrot, beans, peas, apple, grapes, again carrot, apple, apple, peas. So carrot belongs for vegetables. Okay, this is also veg. This is fruits. Fruits, vegetables, fruits, fruits, vegetables. Uh, Germany, Canada, again Germany, London, USA, USA, Germany. So I have some simple data, just you select. So if I go for pivot table, so again existing sheet, keep the cursor here. See girls, I should only arrange everything ma. It will not show you anything. It will not give you any suggestions. Okay. So from this pivot table, we should do it everything ourselves. But if I go for recommended chart, so recommended, sorry, pivot table, recommended pivot table, if I go, it will gives you the suggestions. See, it is the suggestions are displaying here. So don't want to arrange. It is only arrange. It is giving some suggestions. See, count of country. Canada, how many times we have exported? One time. Germany, 4 times. London, 2 times. America, 2 times. And then what about the next one? Apple, how many times exported? 3 times. Beans, 1 time. Carrot, 2 times. See, the suggestions are giving. So, but which the first one? The first table you want, you select it. Okay. For example, see the table is pivot table, that one I want. If I click on OK, automatically it is displaying here. Recommended means it will suggest you. It will give the suggestions. Okay. By the recommended only I got like this. I didn't arrange anything. So from the recommended options, I got like this. See Canada, for the Canada, how many number of times means the product is exported? Only 1 time. For Germany, how many times? For 4 times exported. For London, 2 times. For America, 2 times. Totally, girls, you understood the difference of pivot table and then recommended pivot, girls? Pivot table means nothing. It will not arrange anything. We should only have to arrange everything. Okay. But recommended pivot table, if you go, the suggestions you will get. Which suggestion you want, you should select, and then later on you can change. If you want to rearrange that, you can arrange the table, no problem. See, the field will be there. You can arrange however you want. Girls understood? I'm ending the class. That's why I'm asking. The difference you understood? This one and this one. Any one of you tell me what is recommended pivot table? From pivot table you will get suggestions, or recommended pivot table you will get suggestion. From recommended pivot table, so you people will get suggestions. What type of table you want, you should apply that. That's all. Girls, don't leave the class, ma. 2 minutes, I'm taking the attendance. Girls, I hope you understood the today's class. Is there any doubts? If you practice, then only the doubts will come. You have to start doing the assignment, then only the doubts will come for you. Today concepts you understood, girls? Is there any doubts, mom? I'm ending the class.
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay, you start the assignments from today only. So remaining topic from table. From here I should start from tomorrow. Okay. The charts, everything I'll be going to explain the tomorrow class. Very important topic, chart also. So in Excel, conditional formatting, number formatting, pivot table, chart, formulas. So these all the things are very important concepts. Got it, no? Okay, girls. Bye, girls. Take care, all of you.